So hello everyone, do you want to make your own complete stock trading website? Then you are in the right video. In this video I'm here with the new script of ViserTrade stock market trading system, and the price of its source code is $79, so you don't need to spend much more money. If you want this source code, you can contact me. I will provide you a source code on a very reasonable price compared to market, and also provide you complete support whenever you want. So in this video, first we will see a short demo of the website, how website looks like and how we're gonna control, and at the end we will completely make the website. So be with us and watch this video complete till the end. So this is the homepage of the website, and each and everything is changeable from the admin panel. And here are the commodities of the website. You can add your own multiple commodities from admin panel. These are all the stock tradings commodities, and the website comes with complete admin panel. If you want to change anything that is on the website are changeable from admin panel. So the website comes with complete admin, and so I will show you admin panel also. So this is the admin dashboard of the website. Each and everything that is on the website you can change from admin, and from here you can manage the commodities of the website. So this is the admin panel. From here, system settings, so you can completely modify the website. You can change each and everything that you want. So viewers, let's build the website. So this is our C panel. So after logging to our C panel, we will go to the file manager. So open the file manager and go to the subdomain. You will add your own main domain. If you want script, so you can contact me. So first I will add my file ViserTrade. So this is latest version 2.1, and it's complete with extended license. So our script is uploading. It will take some time. After uploading, we will go to the database section and make a database for that. So the script has successfully has been uploaded. So go to the subdomain again and refresh it. So after that, we will go to the extract section and extract the files. So after extracting, we will go to the file section. So first we will delete the zip file, and if you want to delete the update and documentation section, then you can also delete this file as well. It's depends your own mind. So I will leave the file section only. So go to the file and select all the file and move the file to the domain. So all the files are moved successfully. So open the new tab and enter your domain name over here. So this is our ViserLab installer window. So click the I agree next step, and these are all the requirements that we have to approve. So go to the file manager and open your domain. So I have passed my all requirements. So go to the ViserLab installer window and check. So as you can see, our framework requirement is remaining. So I will go to the file manager again and give the permission to framework also. So go to the installer window and recheck, and as you can see our requirements are checked and passed. So go to the next step, and this is our last step. So we have to make a database for our source code installation. So go to the tools and open the database section, click the database and make a database for it. So click the all privileges, and our database has been created successfully. So our next step is that we will go to our installer window and paste the database name, username and host. So our host is mainly localhost, so we will add localhost and add your password over here. So here are the username, admin password, and here the email of the website, and after that we will click the install now. So I'll click the install, and so here as you can see our system has been installed successfully. So go to the website and activate. Our script has installed successfully, and this is our latest version ViserTrade stock trading website script. So after installation, you will get this type of website. This is the most professional website, and this is the overview of the website. The website comes with complete professional admin panel. You can change each and everything that you want, and here are my commodity that I made. So user can easily trade in any commodity that user want. And here, as you can see, here the testimonial section of the website, the blogs and articles of the website. So this is the front end section of the website. And so let's see the admin panel of the website, how admin looks like and how admin works. So this is the admin dashboard of the website. There is totally user zero because this is newly created website. From this section you can manage your community. So I made this community for randomly for showing demo view, and here are the history, manage user section. From this section you can see all the user and manage the user of the website also, and here are the deposit section, withdrawal section, and here are the system settings. So this is the most important section. So from this section you can change the name of the website, title, symbol, and I will add my website name. So I will change the color of the website also. So I want a blue color for that, and in this I want a red or pink. So I choose the red color, and when I submit the site, so our website are color change. So check the domain name, and as you can see the color has been changed successfully. And let's see some more functionalities. And here are the system configuration section, and you can make your own you can also control the basic modules of your system from this section, like you can enable and disable the verifications, languages, and each and everything that you want. And here are the notification settings, payment gateways. You can enable the multiple deposit gateways from this section. Here are some payment gateways that are available in website, and here are the manual payment gateway. You can also integrate the manual payment gateway easily. So if you want to purchase the script, then you can contact me. I will provide you a script on a very reasonable price compared to market, and also provide you complete support whenever you want. So thank you for watching.